Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a finance calculator app with the help of AI tool. In this web tool, we're going to create a multiple finance calculations like EMI calculation, loan calculation, and a lot of things we can create in this web app. Now just search your GitHub Copilot, scroll down and you will see the github.com Copilot. Click on this and you will see the github.com/copilot. So we have this, right? So now we need a prompt to create that finance tool. So I'm going to use it as a ChatGPT to generate a prompt. Okay. So here, just write a simple thing, generate a prompt to create a finance tool. So let's see. You can see the single prompt. Okay. So I'm going to just copy that whole prompt like this. Okay. And then just go here and I'm going to just paste it. Okay. And just enter. And we need to wait some seconds and that Copilot will create a web tool for us. And that tool is something a finance tool. Okay. Now finally the code is ready. Let me just click on the preview and it's preparing your preview, or we can download that. Okay. Oh, that's done, but you can see the icon like the CSS. So why the reason is that can't detect the CSS that he created. As you can see, he created three files, style.css and script.js. So I'm going to just click on the download code. Okay. And we have downloaded the HTML file. Let me just download the style file .css and script.js. Cool. Now let me just open in the download folder and we have three files here. Okay. So I'm going to just open the HTML now. Right. So as you can see here, let me just rename it. Okay. Rename this and remove that hyphen from both sides like this. Use HTML. Right. You already have one HTML file. So I'm going to just delete that file from here and rename it again like this. Rename it also like this. Cool. Now do the same thing for a script and its style CSS. Like remove that JS. Use the JS file, but make sure remove the hyphen from the top from like this and the front, and we need to remove that both hyphen from the top and bottom like this. Cool. Now let me open the index.html. Wow, the finance calculator showed. Wow, fantastic. Now you can calculate your EMI. Let me just try to add here loan, suppose. Okay, 10 lakh loan and the interest is suppose 10% and is like 10 years. Fantastic. EMI will be around 13,000 rupees. Wow. Personal loan calculator, SIP calculator. And here's in the lump sum investment calculator also. This is a really fantastic tool. Now you can buy a domain name and you can host that finance tool to your website. So if you have any doubt, you can ask and comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.